everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how I make this cute koala keychain. First, I make the cup by rolling out some brown clay into a pipe shape and flattening it a bit. I then take a flat white piece of clay and cut it into a circle. I then stick this circle onto the base of the clay. Here I make a strip of white clay. I then wrap this white clay around the brown clay, like so. To make the handle, I take a strip of the white clay and bend it and stick it onto the cup. To make the koala, I roll out two balls of grey clay, one bigger than the other. I then make the bigger one into a slight conical shape by flattening one end of it a bit. For the legs, I take a snake of grey clay and cut off equal bits. I then make indents in the body before sticking it on. For the head, I follow the same process. For the ears, I take two small grey clay balls, indent them and stick them onto the head. For the nose, I make the nose by taking a little black clay and shaping it so that it looks like a normal koala's nose. From a thin snake of black clay, I cut out two small dots for the eyes. To make the tie, I roll out some blue clay, cut off the excess and wrap it around the koala. Here again I cut off some excess. I also give it some shape. For the main part of the tie, I take a little blue clay and make it into a long teardrop shape before flattening it. For the collar, I cut a long strip of clay and bend it in half. I then wrap it around the koala's neck and cut off any excess. I also pull out the collar in the front to give it some shape. Finally, I make the hands like the legs and stick it onto the koala along with the cup. As an added touch, I also added in a biscuit in the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.